Have you ever heard of mace, the delicate spice with powerful health benefits? This intriguing spice hails from the nutmeg tree, offering a warm, slightly sweet flavor that has been cherished for centuries. It's not just the taste that makes it special, but also the unique qualities it brings to the table. From its vibrant red hue when fresh, to its golden brown color as a dried spice, mace is truly a marvel of nature. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's dive into the health benefits of this amazing spice. You might be surprised to know that mace is packed with numerous health benefits. Let's delve into the wonders of this aromatic spice. First off, mace is a great digestive aid. It contains compounds that soothe stomach discomfort and promote overall gastrointestinal health. This delicate spice also carries potent anti-inflammatory properties. The active components in mace, like myristicin, work to reduce inflammation in the body. But that's not all. Mace is also rich in antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress and contributing to overall wellness. In terms of oral health, mace packs a punch. Its antibacterial properties fight bacteria that cause tooth decay and gum disease, helping to keep your smile bright and healthy. Mace also offers respiratory health benefits. Traditional medicine often uses this spice to alleviate issues like coughs, bronchitis, and congestion. The aroma of mace is believed to enhance mood, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. It's like a little slice of tranquility right in your spice rack. Mace also helps improve blood circulation, which is beneficial for heart health and overall well-being. But the benefits don't stop there. The topical application of mace oil or poultices can provide pain relief for muscle and joint aches. And for centuries, mace has been used to alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort due to its soothing and antispasmodic effects. Lastly, mace is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a good source of essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, calcium, and iron, adding a nutritional boost to any dish. As you can see, this spice is not just about flavor. It's about health and wellness too. Now that we've explored the health benefits of mace, how about we take a look at how you can incorporate it into your meals? This aromatic spice lends a warm, slightly sweet flavor to soups, stews, and baked goods. A pinch of mace can elevate a simple dish into something truly exquisite. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. From mace-infused apple pie to a comforting bowl of mace-flavored chicken soup, the possibilities are endless. So, why not give mace a try? Not only will it add a unique touch to your dishes, but it will also provide a host of health benefits. There's so much more to mace than meets the eye. This spice, with its warm, slightly sweet flavor, is not just a culinary delight but a powerhouse of health benefits. From aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and enhancing mood to improving blood circulation and providing pain relief, there's a lot mace brings to the table. It's an ingredient that adds not just flavor, but also nutritional value to your dishes. Next time you're in the spice aisle, remember mace, the delicate spice with powerful health benefits. Thank you for joining us and stay healthy.